I don't know. Harp.
Open this bag up.
What is it?
Open up, Mama.
Oh my goodness.
Open up, Mom. Open it up. What's that in there? What's that, Mom?
Looks like some little pumpkins.
Maybe this. Oh, Bishop. 7 power. 7 in it.
What do you think it could be?
But, Mom.
You think something's in it?
Hmm.
What do you think it could be?
Why? Oh! What's that, Mom? What's that, Mama?
Check it out. Investigate.
A leaf!
Oh, it's a leaf.
Why?
It's from Grandma.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh. Oh, you love it. She doesn't even realize what the leaf is made out of. She just loves that it's a leaf. Oh, that's so sweet, Harper.
Hopefully Ethan.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
It's chocolate.
Do you want to give it a little taste?
It's really hard.
It's really hard.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, you're so kind. Thanks for sharing. Grandma, thanks for the chocolate. I think it's from the best candy shop that we know. Grouse's. All right, you may have that one piece of chocolate for breakfast. Thanks, Grandma. We love it. You've got a happy granddaughter. Oh, that was too cute.